welcome back to episode 6 of the Reading career. And if you've not watched last videos, go out and check, because there was an incredible game with incredible goals at Ellen Road, and Melvin Lambert is a legend already. He can flop from now, but what a game he had. But we've got an important episode today and some important games, as we've got Barnsley, deadline day, Norwich. So it's not gonna be easy, but I think if we just show what he can do. So the plan is against Barnsley, we're just gonna do a quick sim, get that over and done with. But we do need to sort out the team. Puskas, I'm sorry, but Melvin Lambert has got to go on the bench. Any more changes? I think we're gonna keep Simmers in because he's been in form in the league. So yeah, we'll just do a quick sim. Home against Barnsley. I'm expecting the win. Quick sim. Oh, and it's a 2-1 win. We got Yedem and Swift getting both goals. But we'll definitely be playing Norwich after deadline day. Another training session here. Keep them young players going higher and higher in rating. So some of the top transfers summer, we've got Lautaro Martinez joining Bayern Munich. Goretzka joining Liverpool, and blimmin' hell. So they've signed him for 80 mil and him for 80 million, ridiculous. But they have sold Joe Gomez, to be fair, for nearly 80 million. Barcelona are on a bit of a mad one as well. Vardy making a massive move. Making some big signings of Asensio and Umtiti. Some shock moves, to be fair. Even Diop to Wolves, big move in English football. Yeah. Ori to Man U, yes. Anyways, but I don't think we'll be doing any moves on this window. Left, we've got quite a bit of money, but just check this Youth Academy player that we did promote in the last episode. So right midfielder, 52 rated, potential of 70, so good potential. Just not sure about that rating right now. So I suppose we'll have to wait on him. Will there be any more big moves transfer deadline day? Oh, something just happened. I don't know if that was a big or just loads of small. Mate, transfer for Mate from PSV. Again, not too focused on selling Mate right now. But what I have been noticing in the games, I cannot lie, is Omar Richards. Now, he looks good, pace. Defending fair's alright, 21. But our backup left back is Bristow. So I think if we send a backup left back, that I mean, I don't know. I just feel like we're a little bit low, and if he gets an injury or if he's not playing well, we just don't have anyone to place him with. So just gonna have a little look if there's any left backs on here that open my eyes. Not really. I mean, anyone here? Barry Douglas, but he's on loan at Blackburn. Anyone on here? No. So, just trying to think. Let's just have a look. No, so we don't really. There's got to be surely some of the Premier League teams have got some left backs who just don't play much. See, I'm a bit unsure if we should go young or old. But obviously we don't have loads of money, and we don't want a first team left back. We just want someone to come in, and if Omar Richards gets injured or is not playing well, can bring him. But ooh, someone like David Boateng actually. £1.8 million release clause. We'll try and get him on a little bit lower than that. I think I would say maybe about 60 rated on a guess. I don't think they'll want a player swap, but we can try. See if they want him. Oh, they do actually. And oh no, they don't. So 550k, I think, and 2% sound clause. I'm just going to accept that because I think the kind of player backup left back that I would like. David Boateng, prospect. It's all good with me. Contracts 5 years, perfect. Because we want Omar Richards to have a bit of a challenge in the future. So only still young, definitely in my future plans. What should we give this guy? 3k. Surely there's not more than that. Yeah, it's reasonable. Great. So signed 61. Oh, so actually better than I thought. So a very good left back we signed there. To be back up for Omar Richards. Does he get a place on the bench? That's the question. Where is he? Can only play left back. Oh, he's right footed. I didn't realise he was right footed. That's a bit of a. We'll just put him here. Right, yeah, I think that's definitely it for this window. Last sign him for this summer window. But I've got 2 things in the office. 2 transfer offers. One from Watford, not signed definitely to a championship rival, and I think we'll keep Andy Yedem for at least this season. Maybe if we get promoted to the Premier League, we might have to one of the places that we'll have to look to improve. Doesn't really seem like much else is going to happen. Yeah, and that is the transfer window ended. Youth squad. Let's just see if anything's changed. Probably hasn't. Oh, just a potential a bit. Still keep him on there. Another offer for Yedem, so it seems like a lot of teams want him. Another training day. I think when we play Norwich, we're gonna have to defend well because I think other than Bournemouth, but Bournemouth attacked, and I think that's why we did well, and I think that's why we did against Leeds because leave gaps open behind them. I mean, we're top of the league. We started the season very well. Charlie Palmer still in there. Not got too much planned with him. More and more training sessions. Laurent. I'll think about it, but I don't think you're gonna play unless there was a bad injury here, and you're not. So I think we're happy with all that. Right, away against Norwich, and then after this we'll end the episode there. So these are playing Krull, Gibson, Zimmerman, Aarons, Byram, Sorensen, McLean, Leitner, Cantwell, and Roop. Right. John Swift. Wow. Bang. Right, come on, boys. We've got two very good strikers and one that's got two in the last game on the bench. So I'm not afraid to do early substitutions if players aren't putting the effort in. But right into them. Just make them make the mistakes. Just like that. Shocking pass by Max Aarons. Quick feet. Over his head. Oh, it's a good effort. But Krull managed quite easily. Come on. Ellis Simmis. Oh! And it's a penalty. He dragged me back on my shirt. Oh, it's a free kick. Wait, what? I mean, I did think it was a bit soft to be a penalty. But let's just have a look. So this is when he gets his hand. So this is when he grabs me. He's grabbing my waist here. But don't he grab me again? Yeah, he makes me have the heavy touch. I mean, I suppose we'll take the free kick. Who must be taking this? In fact, yeah, Elise on the free kick. Oh, making Krull dive and really good save to be fair. Get in that box. Oh, he's made him look like a mug. Look like a mug. Oh, read as a shot, as a tackle and not a shot. Come on. Yeah, making them. They've looked really poor. I think we are better against the team's back post. Oh, wonderful by Ajaria, and he could have just shot, but he just chested it down to Miete to finish, and 1-0 Reading. We're flying in the championship right now. Oh, big headers. This is kind of how Reading started soon off in real life, but then died down a bit. It's a big effort from Simis, but easy for Krull. Down the line. Well, at least he's got loads of time here. Is he going to find Simis? He has! Simis! Oh, it's incredible! The goal! Ellis Simis seems to be on fire. Lucas Zhao is sitting on that bench right now. Really worry him. I'm telling you, really worry him. I mean, Puskas is just out of the picture now. But what a ball that is. It's not the best first touch, but what a little dink over the keeper. And this is easy. We're making Norwich like mugs. Now, maybe for the next episode, we'll increase the difficulty to legendary from world class, because this is calm. It's calm this. Right. I think because this Reading team's so good, it just feels so nice to play with, making it quite easy. Oh, easy, easy. Play him. Oh, please say he's on. Cross goal. Oh, that is ridiculous. 3-0. Yaku Mete with an absolute ridiculous, with so much power on that. And it would surprise me if Norwich fans are leaving the stadium already. Just over one ball over the top, and it's a lovely finish. And that's his second goal of the season and his second of the game. Yeah, it's crazy that arguably our main on the form we have didn't score before this. Oh, poor ball. But now if he's on goal scoring, if he's scoring goals, surely it's going to be like make it even better for us. Oh, we're making the, oh, shoot. I should have not chipped that. Surely I've got to get Melvin Lambert on for the second half. I just don't know which one to take off out of the two. Out of Simis and Mete. We'll just see stamina wise. Whoever's got lower will bring off. But brilliant half, and Melvin Lambert's going to come on and hopefully help. So Simis will, oh, since come off. Get you on. You ever changed one to do? I think we'll bring Holmes on much. And we'll bring Stevis on. Come on, boys. At least say with his quick feet. Nearly timed that. Come on, Liam. Oh, what a tackle. Richards. So might want to be careful now because he's got a bit of a challenge. That left back spot. Lovely ball to Ajaria. Is he going to pass it? No, he's going to be selfish. And it's a good save by Krull. Not a bad ball. Melvin Lambert here. Oh, just plays it across. Oh, it's easy. It's 4. It's 4. And it's Mason Bennett, the man from Reading, the Reading fan, scoring once again. Got a ridiculous goal last episode. Getting a good goal here. Might be. Oh, shocking. I don't know what Norwich game plan is here, but they've been awful. But this could be a good. Oh, easy. Richards coming back. Oh, I've just tried to knock it past him there when I probably should have passed it. Yikes, 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 yikes. Oh, I thought I could have kept that in. Right, a corner to Norwich. Oh, good block by Elise. Get another chance to put the ball in. Oh, went over the bar. Raphael, coming homes. Lovely ball to Swift. Plays it out to Elise. Let's see what Elise can do in this position. He's won the corner. Drill it into there. For Swift to do a Ruben Neves. Oh! Nearly did as well. Trying a couple of different things here. Oh! Oh, Jesus! Well, is that Melvin Lambert? I'm not sure. No, it's... but what is the defender... Anyways, what is the defender doing here? Oh, Jesus! Not even what I was planning to do. And no, it's Yaku Mete with his hat-trick. And his third goal of the season, but he couldn't have had an easier chance. We have absolutely destroyed Norwich here, and we're definitely putting the level up. Because we've had some challenging games. First game of the season against Coventry, it's teams that attack us, I'm telling you. It's teams that play attacking football. They just, if our defender gets a tackle, we just go on the counter and score 90% of the time. Watch this. Watch this. I don't think you're ready. They're all going to get mugged. At least he's on a different level to these lot. Oh, he's running over a corner, to be fair. Should we try the same thing again? Oh? What the? Not too sure what happened there. Oh! Matey nearly getting his head to that. Surely we've got to try and get to Melvin Lambert. To make it 6. Come on, let's not concede. Clean sheet from now is the most important thing. Oh, he's been sent. Good tackle. Just send that up. I think that'll be the end of the game there. And it's a 5-0 victory. And the Canaries have been slayed. They've been destroyed. I said this was going to be a tough game. This has been by far the easiest. Just look at the match ratings. Brilliant. Brilliant performance. But yeah, that's where we're going to end that there. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you in the next one.